In the box. 1 3-foot USB-C to DisplayPort, DP cable for connecting USB-C enabled devices to an HDTV, 4K monitor, or other DP-enabled display. Supports 4K video. Supports resolutions up to 4K, 3840 by 2160, clear images and pure audio with fast 60 Hz refresh rates. DP Max 4K by 2K at 60Hz. Plug play. No adapter or driver, software needed. Host's USB-C port requires DP1. 2 Alt mode to view video over USB-C. Not all USB-C ports support Alt mode functionality. Compatibility. Works with Thunderbolt 3, MacBook Pro 2019-2018, 2017-2016, iMac 2017, Google Pixelbook, Dell XPS 15, HP Spectre X360, Samsung Note 9, Mac Mini, and iPad Pro. Ideal for DP-enabled TVs, monitors, and projectors, video and audio transfer. Durably made. Aluminum housing with a sleek space gray finish. Top reviews from the United States. Working well for 3840x2160p at 60 Hz on 16/2019 MacBook Pro W. AMD Radeon Pro 5500M. The MacBook Pro with Thunderbolt connectors have a native DisplayPort signal integrated within, which, unfortunately, requires conversion when using HDMI cables. I purchased these cables to maintain the standard DisplayPort signal to a pair of 4K curved Samsung monitors, and it solved the problems of overheating from the HDMI conversion handily. Now, the monitors operate as expected in clamshell mode and resolution is perfect at 3840x2160 at 60 Hz. I couldn't be more pleased to have solved such a vexing problem with such a simple solution.